There are very few cameras that generate excitement in the same way as a new Leica Q. Unlike many modern camera launches that focus on adding dozens of new features every year, Leica has built the Q series around refinement rather than reinvention. Every generation has preserved the same core philosophy: a premium compact full-frame camera with exceptional optics, elegant design, and an intuitive shooting experience. Now, attention is turning to the next chapter. Although Leica has remained silent about its plans, rumors surrounding the Leica Q4 continue to grow, and they suggest that the company may be preparing one of the biggest updates the Q series has ever received. If the latest reports are accurate, the Leica Q4 will not simply replace the Q3. Instead, it could represent a significant technological leap while maintaining the minimalist character that has made the series so popular among photographers. Rather than chasing specifications for marketing purposes, Leica appears to be focusing on meaningful improvements that enhance everyday photography without sacrificing simplicity. At the center of these rumors is a completely redesigned imaging system. Several industry insiders believe the Leica Q4 could adopt a stacked full-frame CMOS sensor, replacing the conventional sensor architecture found in previous models. This would be one of the most important hardware upgrades ever introduced to the Q series. Stacked sensor technology enables dramatically faster readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter effects while improving overall camera responsiveness. Cameras equipped with stacked sensors typically offer faster autofocus, quicker burst shooting, and better video performance, making this a logical step forward for Leica's flagship compact camera. Alongside the new sensor architecture, the camera is also expected to receive a noticeable increase in resolution. Current speculation points to approximately 64 megapixels, although Leica has yet to confirm any details. A sensor with this level of resolution would allow photographers to capture an extraordinary amount of detail while providing additional flexibility for cropping images without sacrificing quality. This would be particularly valuable for landscape photographers, commercial shooters, architectural photographers, and anyone producing large-format prints. However, the real advantage may not be the additional megapixels alone. Leica cameras have always been appreciated for their unique rendering, natural colors, and exceptional tonal transitions. The Leica Q4 is expected to continue delivering that signature image quality while combining it with the advantages of modern sensor technology. Improved dynamic range could preserve more highlight and shadow detail, while enhanced noise control may produce cleaner images in low-light situations. Together, these improvements could allow photographers to push the camera further without compromising image quality. The faster sensor could also transform the overall shooting experience. Street photography has always been one of the strongest applications for the Q series, and responsiveness is essential when photographing unpredictable moments. A stacked sensor would reduce shutter lag, minimize viewfinder blackout, and improve continuous shooting performance. Whether photographing people walking through city streets or documenting fast-moving everyday scenes, the Leica Q4 may feel significantly quicker and more responsive than previous generations. Autofocus is another area expected to receive substantial attention. While Leica has steadily improved autofocus performance with each generation, competition within the premium mirrorless market continues to advance rapidly. Reports suggest the Leica Q4 may introduce a new autofocus system supported by more sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms. These improvements could make subject recognition faster, more accurate, and considerably more reliable under challenging conditions. Current rumors indicate that the autofocus system may recognize human faces, eyes, animals, birds, and potentially vehicles. More importantly, Leica may improve continuous tracking performance by introducing predictive autofocus capable of anticipating subject movement. Rather than simply reacting to motion, the camera could calculate where a subject is likely to move next, helping maintain focus during fast-moving situations. Although the Q series has traditionally been associated with documentary and street photography, these improvements could make the Leica Q4 far more capable for action and event photography as well. Video performance is another area where expectations are steadily increasing. Hybrid creators now expect premium cameras to perform equally well for photography and filmmaking, and Leica appears ready to embrace that shift. Industry reports suggest the Leica Q4 may support 4K recording at frame rates reaching 120 frames per second. This would allow filmmakers to capture smooth cinematic slow-motion footage while maintaining excellent image quality. Some reports even speculate that Leica may introduce limited 8K recording capabilities. While recording times may depend on internal temperature management, the inclusion of 8K would provide valuable flexibility during editing, allowing creators to crop or stabilize footage while maintaining excellent final image quality. Even if most projects are delivered in 4K, higher resolution capture offers significant creative advantages. Managing heat becomes increasingly important as recording resolutions increase, particularly inside compact camera bodies. Rumors suggest Leica has invested in improving thermal management within the Leica Q4, potentially introducing redesigned internal heat dissipation that allows longer recording sessions before thermal limitations become a concern. This would make the camera more practical for documentary filmmakers, interviews, travel productions, and commercial video work. The electronic viewfinder is also expected to receive a major upgrade. Several reports suggest Leica could equip the Leica Q4 with an EVF offering approximately 9.44 million dots of resolution. Such a display would provide exceptional clarity, making manual focusing easier while allowing photographers to evaluate exposure, color, and composition with remarkable precision. Leica users often enjoy carefully composing their images, and a higher quality viewfinder would naturally enhance that experience. If Leica successfully delivers most of these anticipated improvements, the Leica Q4 could become one of the finest premium compact cameras ever produced. It would preserve the timeless shooting experience that has defined the Q series while embracing the technology demanded by today's photographers and filmmakers. For anyone who appreciates elegant design, exceptional image quality, and the simplicity of a fixed-lens full-frame camera, the Leica Q4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera rumors to follow in the coming months.